Hello guys, welcome again to this channel. In this video I will be putting you through how you can host a website on aaPanel. So the first thing you need to do is navigate to the menu section here and click on website, and then click on add site. So I'm going to type in the domain name I want to use. The domain name is demon dash tutorial dash yt.com. So like this, we just have to create also the FTP account in case we need to use FTP for connections or uploading file, and also create database. So I'm going to leave it like this and click on confirm. So the domain has been created here. Now after creating the domain or adding the domain to this aaPanel, the next thing I want to do is to install SSL. So I'm just going to navigate to this SSL part here and click on the not set here. So I'll be using the Let's Encrypt SSL, which is a free SSL. I'll click on it here. But before you do this, ensure the domain is already pointing to the server IP address, else it might not work. So I'll click on apply. And now our SSL is enabled. So I can close this section and you can see SSL is now active. So the next thing I want to do is probably upload my website and database or install WordPress. If I want to install WordPress, all I have to do is just go to wordpress.org and download WordPress core file here. So if you want to check the folder of this website, just click on files here, and then you will see the entire file of the website. But if you did not take it to this section, you can just go under the WP root folder, and then you will see the domain name here. Just click on it. That is the folder of the website. So you can just upload your website here, and then that is all. So I hope this helps. If you have any question, do drop in the comment section. We'll be dropping more video related to aaPanel on this channel, so stay tuned. Thank you.